Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Poppy Angraini, and my student identification number is 234111025. It is a pleasure to be here and present my assignment. In this video, I will explain the topic that has been assigned as part of the accounting theory course. I hope this presentation can be delivered clearly and be easy to understand for everyone watching. Without further ado, let's begin the presentation. Thank you. Okay, on the first slide we will discuss financial reporting engineering. Financial reporting engineering is a concept that discusses how financial statements are designed and prepared through various accounting decisions made by management and accountants. In the process of preparing financial statements, companies are often faced with several accounting method and policy options, all of which are permitted by accounting standards. Because of these various options, the resulting financial reports can differ from one company to another, even if the transactions involved are relatively similar. This is one reason why financial reporting engineering is an important topic in accounting theory. This concept demonstrates that financial statements are not simply the automatic recording of transactions, but rather the result of a series of decisions made during the financial reporting process. These decisions may relate to asset depreciation methods, revenue recognition, inventory valuation, and various other accounting estimates. In practice, the primary goal of financial reporting engineering is to produce financial reports that provide useful information to users. However, this process must be carried out carefully to avoid misleading information. Therefore, understanding financial reporting engineering is very important because it helps us understand how financial information is formed and presented to users. Next, on the second slide, we will discuss the objectives and role of financial reporting engineering. The primary goal of financial reporting engineering is to produce financial reports that meet the needs of users of financial information. These users include investors, creditors, management, government, and various other parties who require information for decision-making. Good financial reports must present relevant, reliable, and easy-to-understand information. To achieve these goals, companies need to choose accounting methods and policies that are appropriate to their business conditions and characteristics. Furthermore, financial reporting engineering plays a role in helping companies systematically prepare financial reports in accordance with applicable accounting standards. These standards provide companies with clear guidelines for recording and reporting financial transactions. On the other hand, this process also demands a high level of responsibility and integrity from management. Every decision made must aim to fairly present the company's condition, not manipulate or mislead users of the financial statements. Thus, financial reporting engineering has a very important role in creating quality and reliable financial reports. On the third slide, we will discuss the elements contained in financial reporting engineering. The first element is the selection of accounting policies and methods. Companies often have several methods permitted by accounting standards, so it's important to determine the method that best suits the company's circumstances. The second element is the recognition and measurement of financial transactions. At this stage, the company determines when a transaction is recognized and how its value is measured in the financial statements. The next step is preparing financial reports in accordance with accounting standards. These reports must comply with applicable regulations to ensure they can be compared with other companies' reports. The next element is the use of estimates and professional judgment. In accounting, many accounts require estimates, such as depreciation of assets, allowances for doubtful accounts, and certain liabilities. Then there's the disclosure of information in the notes to the financial statements. This additional information is crucial because it helps users understand the details and policies used in the financial statements. Furthermore, financial reporting engineering emphasizes the importance of presenting relevant and reliable information. The information presented must accurately reflect the company's true condition. Lastly, compliance with accounting standards and regulations is crucial for maintaining the quality and credibility of the financial reports produced. All these elements are interrelated and contribute to producing financial reports that are useful for users. In closing, on the fourth slide I will convey the conclusion of the financial reporting engineering material. Financial reporting engineering is a crucial process in preparing financial statements because it involves various decisions related to financial reporting methods, policies, and techniques. These decisions will influence how financial information is presented to users of the statements. Through this process, companies can produce financial reports that are relevant, reliable, and meet the needs of information users. However, this process also requires a high level of integrity and professionalism to ensure that the information presented truly reflects the company's condition. Financial reporting engineering does not only focus on presenting financial figures, but also on how this information can provide benefits to investors, creditors, management, and other parties in making economic decisions. Discussion: it can be concluded that financial reporting engineering has a very important role in creating quality, credible, and useful financial reports for various parties. That's the explanation of financial reporting engineering. Thank you for your attention. That is all for my presentation today. Thank you for your attention and for taking the time to watch this presentation. I hope the material that I have presented can be useful and help improve your understanding of the topic discussed. I would also like to apologize if there are any mistakes, inaccuracies, or shortcomings in my presentation. Thank you once again for your attention and participation. Have a great day, and see you in the next presentation. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.